Today we've got a universal LED flash adapter. It really doesn't act like a flash, it's more of just an LED flashlight that sticks on the end of your phone. Charges via the male 3.5 audio connector there. Charge via your phone or charge via the special USB cable. Packaging says charge will last for 100,000 photos. I think that is more than exceptionally optimistic given the size of this little cell. It's not marked in any way to let you know capacity, but it already is marked for death, as we can see here, as it is puffed up. That's no good. This was brand new. Brand new as of today. We can see here the male input jack has 3 of the 4 pins wired up, and then there's a little extension jack. I'm not sure if that's supposed to work as a pass-through for audio or not. It's only got 2 wires there. And then we got 4 SMD LEDs on there and a bunch of other circuitry. And I will leave the reverse engineering to people smarter than me. But turn it on, it's got 1, 2, and 3 brightness levels. And its brightest, it's reasonably decent. Not sitting in a super well lit or super dark cave here, but it does work as for what it's supposed to. It's not good for much beyond a selfie, but hey, what do you expect for $1?